Yeah, I guess so, right? Makes
or
sense.
Not long, but really deep.
I didn't really think it was gonna look weird like that, though.
You getting video with Matt with your daughter?
Yeah. That dragon looks ancient. It looks like it was made when I was a kid. I mean, it'd probably be sun faded then, but.
See that old lady's eyebrows?
Yes. I did see them. They were scary.
Yeah, they were. You need to take wide turns, dude.
No way.
Don't worry about other people. You don't want to hit somebody's car. They're gonna be like, ah!
I'll be like, that person with the eyebrows did it.
I have video of her.
Yeah, I have video of her. Exactly. Oh my god. That's funny. Okay, it's like, check with the bunny hug, get out of the way. Thank you. So anything that really sucks about this phone, the video camera is okay, but the camera?
Yeah.
Oh man, it sucks.
Oh, does it?
Like you can't crop and zoom on my pictures off my cell phone. It's just not gonna happen. It comes out real grainy, and there's no light, so half the time it comes out dark. So that's another lame thing.
She's trying to get to the cars.
So funny. I feel like the dick group in high school that stands in the middle of the hallway. I understand now why they did it. It's kind of satisfying having everybody move around you. I get it now.
That's funny. I get it.
I understand now why they did that. It's kind of empowering.
Hi. Mommy's more interested in the cars, isn't she? Yes. Yes, Mom, yes.
The weird thing is, it's only been 3 minutes. It seems longer than that. I was just gonna say, that rope's low enough to step over.
We can't go over the rope.
And I want you, Daddy. You have a red jacket. I want you, Daddy. And she's watching it too. That's funny.
Like watching them to figure out when the best time to bolt is.
Oh, she's going.
Oh,
Watching her go.
that kind of watching. I see.
Yeah. She seems to be happier here a little bit.
Way more stuff to look at. And Daddy's here. And we're all here. Everybody's happy.
Now Daddy's talking and she wants to go.
And now she's picking her lip. Yeah. I don't blame her. I can't help it either. Literally can't help it when I have a cold sore. No, Mommy.
Yeah. Easiest place to do that's in our lounge.
Well, you can do it.
We have to go there first then.
The Browns at the 2012 Dragons Easter Car Show. Poor Autumn is sick, but she's a trooper.
Yeah? What's the matter?
You've lost your baby.
She's up there, no worries.
Punch the dog.
Who wants to punch the dog?
I want to punch the dog.
Oh. A lady just went by me and was like,
Okay. Good. Yeah. Yeah, that on top of everything, she's happy, so. Good. Oh, you look like your sister. And then all in her mouth, so I'm dealing with that. So I'm
Hi,
telling Matt,
handsome
coming
man.
home early tonight. Oh, yeah.
hi, handsome man.
Isn't that right? These are yours.
Are you so cozy?
I don't care. There's lots of other
Are
people
you
like
so
there are.
cozy?
There are. Yeah, I tried to tell Merle that and never kind of sunk in, but I'm glad you're getting it to sink in. Well, it's very short. I know. But as I know, you're coming. Good for you. Well, no. As my best friend came down from Victoria, she's been gone for 7 months, and it's like, this is supposed to be a really good weekend for me, and if I'm stuck with you thinking all the time, I know. This and I don't know. What caused this? They say some kids just get it with the cold. Because they're always picking up stuff. Yeah, right. So her knees are finally broke, but now it's just trying to get it to work. So we kind of have to force her straw. Yeah. Or else I'll be in the hospital tomorrow with her. I know, because she's dehydrated. Yeah. So if you hear a little one screaming in the back there, it's Autumn because Dad's trying to get her to drink. Oh, I will.
You're gonna have to go around me. It's just standing there waiting. I thought you were waiting for
No, I
me.
just wanted to try and get Autumn to drink something.
Yeah, this guy with a huge stroller was just like standing behind me waiting. It's like, you're gonna have to go around me. That's why I'm on the side. Like, and then another lady was like, "You lost your baby," and I'm like, "No, I didn't." Thank you for thinking I'm the most incompetent person in the world. You know, I'm just videotaping random people carrying babies.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm just waiting for I was like, actually, I'm here to nab one. That's why the seat's empty, until I find a good one.
Yeah. There you go.
Like, really?